Welcome back to Think Thrice Problem Solving. We're going to go ahead and solve a problem here. So let's look at this problem. If we have f of x is equal to 2 to the negative x, find n so that f of n is less than 0.0001. If you want to give this a shot, go ahead and attempt your solution. Otherwise, we're going to jump straight into my solution here. Okay, so the first thing we're going to notice is that we want f of n to be less than 0.0001. So I'm going to write 0.0001 as 10 to the negative fourth. And if I'm writing that as 10 to the negative fourth, that's the same as 5 to the negative fourth times 2 to the negative fourth. Okay, so if I want f of n, so if I want 2 to the negative n to be less than 5 to the negative fourth times 2 to the negative fourth, then that's the same as if I was to take 2 to the n is greater than 5 to the fourth times 2 to the fourth. So I'm just taking the reciprocals of the left side and the right side. I can then modify the second equation slightly to get 2 to the n minus 4 is greater than, then leaving 5 to the 4 over here. So what I just did is I combined this 2 to the n and 2 to the 4. So really what I have here is 2 to the n minus 4 is greater than 5 to the fourth. So we can go ahead and figure this out real quick. So what is 5 to the fourth? So 5 to the fourth is 25 times 25. 25 times 25 is 625. So I want 2 to the n minus 4 to be greater than 5 to the fourth. So if we want to figure that out real quick, so I know that if I go through here, so I'll just kind of do it by brute force. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I get 64, 128, 256. 512, and then 1024. So my first guy, where I have 2 raised to some factor bigger than 625, is 2 to the 10th. So what does that tell me? It tells me that 2 to the n minus 4 must equal 2 to the 10th, because I need an integer n. So if I take log base 2 of both sides, then I'm going to get n minus 4 is equal to 10. So n is equal to 14. And that is going to be my solution. So the first time that 2 to the negative x is less than 0.0001 is when n equals 14. Hopefully you enjoyed solving this problem. If you did, please like and subscribe. If you have your own problem you'd like me to solve, please submit it, and you may see it in a future video. Otherwise, as you're working through your own problems, think once, think twice, and if you get stuck, think thrice.